This week we asked some students very important questions about their teachers. Here's what they had to say.
Yeah, boy.
And my name is Elias.
What's the funniest thing your teacher has ever done?
The voice acting.
I was acting. Or was I?
Falava, Oringwa, or question. What is your name? What is something your teacher says all the time?
She says everything.
Like?
Talented, brilliant, incredible, amazing, spectacular, never the same, totally unique.
Crystal talking well, why talking? My name is Dominic. What is your teacher's name and what do you like about her? My teacher's name is Fire Afi and I like her attitude. Your teacher was a superhero. What would their superpower be? Singing. Why? So they could be like Beyonce, Taylor Swift, and they can go to a concert and sing to her husband. Yeah.
Yes!
Malo Elele, my name is Dominic and what is... My name is Reina. Hi Reina, what is your teacher's name? Mrs. Bakaran. If your teacher were an animal, what would she be and why? A lion because she likes to roar.
Kumusta? Ang pangalan ko ay si Zion. Ano pangalan mo?
Talofa, my name is AJ.
Okay, AJ. What's your teacher's name and what do you like about your teacher and other teachers?
My teacher's name is Miss Mogul and she is my teacher this year, but Fire Rose is my other teacher.
Okay, tell me more about your teachers.
Miss Mogul, I like her blonde hair with the brown hair, they're like mixed together, and her necklace.
Okay.
And Fire Rose, the clip, and her red hair.
Okay. I gotta need to go find myself. You can be my friend. Ang pangalan ko ay si Zion. Ano pangalan mo?
Shut up, Crystal.
What is your teacher's name and what do you like about her?
My teacher's name is Mr. Busby, and what I like about him is that he helps us students.
And why do you like Mr. Busby?
As he's so athletic. He helps us learn, and he helps us with our reading.
That is really good. Thank you. Kumusta? Ang pangalan ko ay si Zion. Ano pangalan mo? What do you think your teacher does when school is over?
Eat fish and chips.
And why?
She looks hungry.
Don't play monkey.
Okay. If you could say one thing to thank your teacher, what would it be?
Thank you for teaching us.
Thank you.
Talafalava, Oringwa, Ogisan. What is your name? My name is Avia. My name is Fayana.
So, Avia, if your teacher was a superhero, what would her power be?
I think her power will be police.
How do you know your teacher really cares about you?
He cares about us and he takes care of us and feeds us.
Wow, that's pretty nice. Thank you.